Have you ever been there? The original TV remote is broken, and you are left with a frustrating search for a replacement. You've tried every universal remote on the market, but they are either a pain to program or the buttons just don't respond as they should. While many universal remotes claim compatibility with top brands like Samsung, LG, Sony, and Toshiba, slight variations in TV models can sometimes lead to certain buttons not functioning or responding slowly. To address these issues, the most effective approach is to input the specific code for your TV model using our method. In just 5 minutes, through the simple steps to customize your remote. It's so easy, even a non-techie can do it. No more guesswork, no more delays. If a brand offers multiple codes, simply try them sequentially with patience during the initial setup. By doing so, you will end up with a custom-tailored remote that operates flawlessly with your TV in the future. This is our universal waterproof remote control. Today, we are going to teach you how to set it up for your TV. For example, if your TV brand is Hisense, you can find this code from our user menu at the back of the user menu. First, you need to press TV and OK together. Around 5 seconds till the light is on. Then, you need to try the code one by one. For example, 1126. If the code is right, the light will turn off. Let's try it works or not. It is not working, try the next one. First, press TV and OK together till the light is on. Press 1130, it goes off. Let's try. It's still not working. Then you can try 1157, press TV and OK together. Around 5 seconds, the light is on. Press 1157, light goes off. Let's try. You can see it works. Let's try the volume up.